Ryan Trahan's videos have been evolving over the past 7 years, and he's now seen the best growth ever on his channel in the past 4. So the question that we all want answered is why? Well, aside from all the other aspects of a YouTube video that make a channel successful, I would like to look into one of the biggest deciding factors: the editing. So today I'm going in depth on Ryan Trahan's editing style and how to copy his formula into your own videos. After rewatching some of Ryan Trahan's videos, I paid close attention to his intros and how carefully he constructs them. If you're a beginner at making content, then it's very crucial that you know how important intros are to the rest of your video. This is where each and every YouTuber will lose most of their viewers, and if that happens, then the algorithm won't push it out, since YouTube's one and only goal is to keep the viewer on the platform for as long as possible. Delivery is key, and Ryan Trahan very much knows this. If we look at his video on spending the night in the world's loneliest house, in the first 15 seconds, he immediately shows the subject of the video and nothing but the subject of the video.
This is the loneliest house in the world. Oh, it's so lonely, no. There are tons of conspiracy theories around it. Like some people think a billionaire built this place in case of a zombie apocalypse. Some people think it's like a religious cult.
You would think this would be self-explanatory, right? But it's something that can be missed so easily in each video. Notice how Ryan doesn't MrBeastify his intro either, while keeping you really hooked. Now what I mean by that is, over the past 4 years, the YouTube meta has changed into really exaggerated and over-the-top editing, but it's starting to become really stale. Not to hate on MrBeast, of course. But what I'm trying to say to you all is that you don't need insane editing to become successful on the platform. You just need to learn how to deliver your video in an interesting way, which brings me on to another key point: the why. After the intro is done on Ryan's video, he gives you the most crucial part of the video to affect his performance.
This trip is said to be extremely dangerous, and locals say you'd have to be stupid to try to go with no experience.
Ryan gives 3 important things here. He gives the viewers a reason to stay for the entire video to know what dangers he may face on the island, as well as a question to wonder while watching, which is: could I do this myself? That's 2 engagement tactics that he uses in just about every video, which adds to why he is so successful. The second why that Ryan adds here is for himself, but it's also something that we all should ask ourselves before recording each and every video. What is my purpose for making this video? Ryan addresses that the island is dangerous, and later in the video even admits to being scared.
I feel deathly sick to my stomach right now. Not sure if it's because I ate 2 bags of Icelandic candy, I haven't pooped in 48 hours, or I'm so scared right now. Can I just say that?
Which makes his reason for going very clear. He wants to face his fear. And while all this is important, this is just one half of Ryan's process. Holding your viewers' attention all the way through a video is the hard part that he has mastered, and that's because of how he uses dead space. Spots in a video where no progress is being made or just complete silence is referred to as dead space. Let's look at Ryan's ongoing Penny series and how he uses no dead space.
Oh dude, I don't know if I have change.
Take it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bro. How you doing?
Bro, what's your name?
Tommy.
Tommy, I don't know if I could do this, dude.
Nah, bro, just take it.
Ryan keeps you hooked all the way through by consistently providing progress being made towards his goal. However, the key thing to note here is that he only leaves in the footage that contributes to a viewer's experience, and obviously visual elements such as subtitles help, but Ryan definitely does not rely on that. Storytelling is his key. It's very easy to watch your own video and be happy with it, but while editing, you really have to ask yourself 3 things. Does the footage left in provide any value to the viewer? Is my video starting to get repetitious? And is this getting boring? If you ask these 3 questions consistently while editing, you will make much smarter cuts overall, increasing the video quality. But what about audio? I believe audio editing is the most overlooked detail in videos and isn't given enough thought. Take Jurassic Park for example. Whenever you think of this movie franchise, dinosaurs immediately come to mind, but its famous theme does as well. Imagine watching Jurassic Park without its main theme. It wouldn't have as big of an effect or even be nearly as memorable. However, what makes a movie's use of music effective is having what I like to call breather moments. These moments are when no music is playing but the movie still continues on. If movies had music playing the entire time, the effect it has on our emotions wouldn't be as strong, and it actually would get quite annoying after some time. So here's the perfect example of Ryan Trahan doing this in one of his videos.
That's a dub. That was weird to say, sorry. I don't say that. I don't know why I said that. I don't say that. Okay. Alright. Good evening.
Take note of how Ryan never keeps his music running on for too long and uses breather moments to keep the video from getting boring. Not only does he use breather moments to prevent viewers from clicking off, but he exploits it to change to new music, which allows us as creators to establish song variety and keep balance. So to really edit like Ryan Trahan, you need to combine all 4 of these elements. 1. Delivering on the title immediately in your intro. 2. Giving your reason why the viewer should stay as well as your purpose for making the video. 3. Leaving no dead space. And 4. Choosing music that gives emotion while also adding breather moments. If you enjoyed this video, then I highly recommend the game theory video I made a couple weeks ago. I go in depth on game theory's editing style just like I did in this one, and I show you how you can achieve their level of editing with enough practice. Also, I currently am trying to grow an editing Discord server, and the support has been absolutely insane lately, so thank you guys for that. Link in the description.